In this video, we're going to fix a laptop that turns on, but shows no display on the screen. As you can see, the power button light is on, and the caps lock key is blinking, which means the motherboard is responding, but the screen remains completely blank. This issue is one of the most common problems in laptops, and in most cases, the main reason is the RAM. Dust, humidity, or even a slightly loose RAM stick can stop the display from working. So let's open the laptop and inspect it properly. All you need is a simple screwdriver. Carefully remove all the screws one by one and gently lift the back cover. Take your time, there's no need to rush when dealing with internal components. The first thing we'll do is disconnect the battery to avoid any type of short circuit, especially while removing or inserting RAM. To remove it, push the side clips outward. The RAM will pop up automatically. This laptop comes with 2 RAM slots. One slot is empty, and the other has an 8 GB RAM stick installed. Now, I'll clean the RAM using a regular eraser. This removes oxidation and dust buildup from the gold contacts, and honestly, this simple step fixes the problem in more than 80% of cases. I'll also take a moment to clean the fan area and the surrounding components with a soft brush, just to make sure everything is dust-free. After cleaning, place the RAM back into the slot at an angle and press it down until the clips lock it in place. Now place the battery back in its position and tighten the battery screws securely before closing the laptop. Before we close the back cover completely, let's test the laptop. And here we go, the display is back and everything is working perfectly. Now we can install the back cover again, tighten all the screws, and do a final test. Now I'm tightening all the screws back in place to secure the laptop properly, and once everything is tight, we'll test it one more time just to confirm. I also like to go around the edges slowly and make sure every corner is fitted properly, because even one loose screw can make the back cover sit uneven or create small vibrations later. So it's always good to take a few extra seconds and tighten everything nicely. Yes, the issue is fully resolved. If your laptop still doesn't show display even after this process, then the RAM might be faulty, or there could be a motherboard-related issue. In that case, replacing the RAM or visiting a repair technician would be the best option. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Tech Tools for more simple fixes and troubleshooting guides.